There's no doubt that sublimation mugs are some of the most popular blanks to customize. Not only are they simple, they're also versatile as personal, gift, and business items. Now, most sublimation mugs are ceramic, which is a strong material that's hardened through intense heat. However, ceramic isn't the only material used for sublimation mugs. Some mugs are made of porcelain. Porcelain is a member of the ceramic family, but consists of different, finer materials that are packed tighter and are fired at higher temperatures than regular ceramic. Because of this, porcelain is a higher quality material that stands ahead of ceramic for its strength and naturally brighter white tone. It's no wonder as to why porcelain has been a highly sought after material for ages. When coated for sublimation, porcelain mugs will allow transfers to appear with bright and vivid colors and contrast. It's also worth noting that porcelain is less likely to stain from recurrent use due to its non-porous nature. This will increase the longevity of your mug if you're a big tea or coffee drinker. In order to provide the absolute best product on the market, SubliCraft mugs are made with porcelain. Now, with two different materials in mind, how exactly do ceramic and porcelain mugs appear side by side? By looking closely, we can see a small difference. Even though the mug itself is only slightly brighter in tone, this contributes to a better saturation and contrast on the final product. Even when looking at the blank, uncoated portion of these mugs, the difference between ceramic and porcelain is still apparent. So what's the best sublimation mug? That is actually going to be based on your and your customer's preference, whether it's the strength and premium quality of porcelain, or the classic affordability and reliability of ceramic. But to learn more about these and other drinkware, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, be sure to get in touch with a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. This has been Ryan with Heat Press Nation, and take care.